All right, supposedly we're recording here. Okay, a student asked where we are to find the plaintiff's side and the defendant's side in the arguments in the Eaton versus Vaughan case. So what I have up is uh, the download from the articles databases website. And if you scroll down, the first page is garbage in PDF. But if you keep scrolling, you're going to, I just thought I'd do a quick summary of exactly what's going on. And, one of the things you could look for is that it's a little hard to read the way this does it, but the overview tells us what happens. And notice it says the owner contended that the slave entered upon the captain's steamboat. So this is the clerk of court saying, here's what the owner contended. And the owner in this case is Vaughan, the slave owner, is what he's talking about. In the head notes and summary, you can kind of piece together what people are talking about. But if you look down a little bit beyond this head notes summary, um, uh, the boats and vessels, those are both head notes supplied by the court. The head notes that link to spaces in the opinion are supplied by a separate publisher. And so this was done after the fact. And anyway, so what we're looking for is what are the arguments made by these parties? Well, one of the things you can do is look for where it says counsel, Adams and Hayden for plaintiff to reverse the judgment. Um, and so here we have in the appellate court, the plaintiff is Eaton. He's pleading to the Supreme Court to reverse the lower court decision. And you can see very quickly, they've really only got one point that they bring up, and that is this number one. If we look for Leonard for defendant, in this case, that is Vaughan, you can see that he lists a tremendous number of things that he thinks should have been going on. And so the party was trying to say the opinion itself um, will also give you some idea on this, but that's a great place to get that. Um, in terms of doing the rest of this, I just didn't know any way I could point this out clearly without doing a video. So I'm going to stop this video and hopefully that helps and it answers the student's question. But that's a good place to look at what did the Eaton say and what did Vaughan say.